scattered aluminum chips, wasting valuable space, losing money. It's time for a change. Aluminum chip briquetting press turns loose chips into high-density briquettes. Reduces volume by up to 90%, instantly boosts value. Efficient, powerful, automated. Let's take a look at the results. Uniform briquettes, easy storage and transport. High density improves melting efficiency, minimizes loss, maximizes your profit. Turning waste into worth, made easy. LEEXIN, established in 1993, is a global industry leader with offices in 15 countries. Our equipment is built for reliability, ease of use, and is perfectly suited for small to medium-sized workshops. Ready to optimize your aluminum chip processing? Like, follow, and leave a comment. We're here to support you. Take action now. Stop waste. Embrace efficiency.